I'm making pie crust. I want a flaky dough for my tarta de zapallitos, or zucchini quiche. We love using lard in Argentina for our pastries. It turns into a much flakier dough. Any kind of lard, even vegetable one, will do. Now, my dough is ready, but it needs to rest. I don't want to overwork it because the lard would overmelt and make the dough tougher. So it needs to look like really wet sand. Using the wrap, I just put it all together like a little ball. And now, a chill rest in the refrigerator. Tartas are huge in Argentina. You can do any filling you want, with fish, veggies, even ham and cheese. This one has leeks, onions, and zucchini. It's only 5 minutes. The veggies are all soaked into that butter. They have softened, but they're still keeping a bright green color. I'm ready to roll that pie. Now, the secret to flaky dough is to not overwork it. Now, the dough is thin enough, but not too thin, because I want to have a nice crust. I'm just gonna measure around. Just slowly roll it. And then I roll it on top of the pan, just like this. Now, if it breaks a little, if there are little patches to fix, not a problem. Now, the zucchini, leek, and onion mix, it's already cooled down. Now, 2 more things. Cream, and just a couple eggs to make this a quiche. It's ready for the pot. Now, because the dough is so flaky, it won't really shrink much in the oven. So I'm just gonna cut whatever's left over. As a last touch of flavor, Parmigiano Reggiano. Now, talk about few ingredients, but layers of flavor. I'm ready for the oven. Now, I had to be a little patient and wait until the pie to cool down a little bit. Now, I can't wait anymore. I'll dig in. Isn't that a gorgeous piece of pie? Now, all I need is a fork. The dough is really flaky, but it has managed to stay a little tender on the bottom. The zucchinis are all cooked down and sweet. The leek comes through green and strong. Like we will say in Argentina, buen provecho.